The following is an Investor Brand Network audio production via our audio press release solutions. As a multifaceted financial news and publishing company, Investor Brand Network utilizes its network of more than 5,000 distribution partners as well as other corporate communication tools to introduce public and private companies to a wide audience of investors, consumers, journalists, and the general public. Investor Brand Network's platform connects the investment community with companies that have great potential and a strong dedication to building shareholder value. The following audio press release may feature a client partner of Investor Brand Network. Investor Brand Network may have been compensated for the production of this audio production. Please be sure to read our entire disclaimer for full disclosure. Network Newswire presents Nextech3D.ai launches next era of GPT AI 3D solutions led by former Microsoft Executive. Nextech3D.ai, OTCQX, ticker symbol NEXCF, a generative AI-powered 3D model supplier for Amazon, P&G, Kohl's, Miele, and others, including major e-commerce platform integrations with Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce, is pleased to announce it is launching the next era of GPT AI 3D product solutions of proprietary artificial intelligence, or AI, algorithms. The initiative will be led by former Microsoft executive Hareesh Achi, who is Nextech3D.ai's current head of product operations. The company believes that the AI opportunity is in the early stages and that the shift from 2D to 3D modeling for e-commerce is part of a major multi-decade transformation that is being led by AI. The company is working on annual enterprise licensing deals for its suite of GPT AI solutions for 3D models and 3D maps. The initial suite includes 12 GPTs. GPT 2D image search engine for 3D models that delivers 3D meshes based on 2D images. GPT text-based 3D search engine that takes text prompts to provide a 3D mesh based on description. GPT that identifies complexity of a model and estimates costs of making a 3D model based on 2D image. GPT 3D model analyzer, classifying model categories, generating textual metadata from 3D models. GPT that automatically aligns 2D floor maps with 3D scans point clouds. GPT that detects walls and floors in a 2D image in our proprietary decorator tool. This allows changing the color of your room's walls and floors. GPT that can read a selected portion of a 3D rendering and erase it. Magic Eraser. GPT generating textures and PBR materials from text prompts. GPT generating PBR maps from texture and color images. GPT texture expansion, expanding a small patch of structured textures into larger, high-resolution textures. GPT texture generation, form patches, generating a texture from a small patch for unstructured textures such as woods and marbles. GPT generative rendering, generating alternative. Rendering photos from textured and untextured 3D models using text prompts, a tool for ideating alternative designs. Ivan Gappelberg, a CEO of Nextech3D.ai, commented, quote, "The age of AI is upon us, and we are fully committed to utilizing this transformative technology to advance our business productivity and licensing revenue." Today's launch is only possible due to the years of in-house development of our AI technology, which sits on top of years of hard work in creating all the data sets that we have produced for some of the largest brands on the planet. We are now focused on monetizing the data by using AI algos to create GPTs, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. ChatGPT is an AI-powered conversational agent that utilizes advanced natural language processing and machine learning techniques to engage in human-like conversations. Nextech3D.ai GPT acts like a co-pilot assisting a 3D artist with our accumulated expertise. We are extremely excited to be part of the AI transformation and by the success of our own GPTs, which we use in-house on a daily basis as we now launch these 12 and develop more valuable GPTs in 2024. End quote. Hareesh Achi, head of product operations at Nextech3D.ai, commented, quote, "I'm thrilled about the existing developments taking place at Nextech, where we are harnessing the power of our advanced AI technology stack to create innovative 3D GPT tools that significantly enhance productivity and make it easy to create 3D environments that complement the growth of augmented reality and virtual reality marketplaces. In addition to this, we are dedicated to sharing our extensive 3D expertise with both clients and partners alike. It brings me great joy to anticipate the diverse array of 3D creators who will be able to leverage our cutting-edge technology, empowering them to craft extraordinary 3D experiences. This is a testament to our commitment to pursuing the boundaries of what is possible in the realm of technology and 3D design with AI and GPT tools." End quote. Hareesh Achi has worked at industry titans MSFT and Meta for over a decade and has a deep-rooted understanding of big technology, coupled with extensive experience in building efficient, scalable, and profitable technology operations. Mr. Achi most recently led Meta's Reality Labs product data operations, where he led the expansion of scaled operations for Meta's Reality Labs product portfolio. Prior to that, Hareesh held a pivotal role at Microsoft, overseeing the multi-billion-dollar Bing Ads operations. Nextech3D.ai is focused on creating a co-pilot that is 3D-centric, using its accumulated 3D expertise and technology, which the company has been developing over the past 5 years as a 3D model supplier for Amazon, Kohl's, P&G, Miele, and others. The suite will offer a series of generative pre-trained transformers, or GPTs, the company has developed, similar to OpenAI. The recent announcement by OpenAI of enabling users to create custom GPTs without any coding requirement has sparked a wave of creativity in various sectors. Similar to OpenAI, Nextech3D.ai is creating 3D GPTs itself, which it plans to license to others. The company plans to monetize its suite of GPTs by licensing it to the public for general use through a paid subscription, or on a per-use basis to use a specific GPT, depending on the individual user's needs. This has significant revenue potential for the company, as its GPTs can perform a variety of different tasks for various use cases, including 3D modeling, 3D model texturing, AI texture generation, digital floor mapping, 3D decorating, resolution expansion, and much more. These GPTs can serve countless functions and job roles, including architects, interior designers, 3D modelers, product designing and prototyping, product variations, even organizers, trade show floor plans, and more. About GPTs. GPTs are engineered to be user-friendly, facilitating their creation without the necessity of programming skills. They can be customized for personal use, exclusive corporate application, or for public utility. The creation process is intuitive, involving simple conversational commands to impart instructions and knowledge, as well as to select functionalities such as web searching, image generation, or data analysis. The company plans to build many of these GPTs that enable users to have 3D expertise at their fingertips, turning everyone into a 3D expert. The goal of these is to reduce the learning curve and enable easier creation of 3D models. Provide 3D expertise at your fingertips for every user who aspires to build and texture 3D models. And finally, improve productivity, increase quality, and drive revenue growth. This audio press release is an original broadcast provided by Investor Brand Network, a multifaceted financial news and publishing company that delivers a new generation of corporate communication solutions, including news aggregation and syndication, social communication, and brand awareness tools. Investor Brand Network may receive payments for the services and solutions provided to its client partners. You should assume that the owners, officers, and directors of Investor Brand Network or financial analysts mentioned in this audio production may hold a position in and may intend to trade the securities on their own accounts. This audio production is not an offer or recommendation to buy or sell any securities mentioned in this audio production. The information in this broadcast is presented solely for informative purposes and is not intended to be or should it be construed as investment advice. As in all investments, investment in the featured companies carries an investment risk. Listeners should review the companies thoroughly with a registered investment advisor or registered stockbroker. This audio production by Investor Brand Network is not purported to be a complete study of the featured company or other companies mentioned. Information used and statements of fact have been obtained from featured companies and other sources but not verified nor guaranteed by Investor Brand Network as to completeness or accuracy. Such information is subject to change without notice. Please see our full disclaimers and disclosures at investorbrandnetwork.com.